A good alternative for making black, we are going to create a chromatic black. All right, so we're going to start off with burnt umber, and we're going to give it two parts, and then we are going to take ultramarine blue, and we're going to make one part, and then we are going to simply mix these together. And this is going to create a black. Sorry for the camera. But it is a good way to make black instead of using black paint right out of the tube. Okay. And so what I'm currently working on is I'm just kind of messing around, and I'm going to be messing with saturation, and I'm going to desaturate gradients of this cadmium red light. And so over here I created my chromatic black, but in order to desaturate, we want to add elements of gray to each different steps of gray to the cad red light. And then up here I have a mix of titanium white and chromatic black to create my value. And I want this gray to be the same value as the red. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I added in some of that chromatic black to the titanium white, and I mixed that together, and we put that next to our original color. And if you squint your eyes a little bit, we are looking for the same value as our starting color. Okay, now it doesn't, looking at the gray and the red, it's kind of hard to tell, but if you squint your eyes, you should be able to kind of kind of focus out the hard line between the gray and the red, and it should start to match. The other way is to convert this into a black and white image and tell the colors from that. And I have already done that, so I'll show you that now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a saturation range of this cad red light. So this is going to be our starting color, which is the pure cad red, and our ending color is going to be our chromatic gray. So I'm going to put this about right there. Okay. And now for the middle, I want about I want equal amounts in the middle. So I'm going to get some of that gray, get some of that red, and get a little bit on there. And I'm going to mix these together. So in terms of saturation, this one should be halfway between the fully saturated color and the total desaturated color. All right, to get something in the middle, I'll clean this off here. Sorry for the camera. Alright, so I'm going to take part of this, about that much. I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to get the same amount of gray. I think I got enough up here. Might need a little bit more. Okay, so we've added more gray to this. Probably need a little bit more gray in there. Okay, so that looks like a step from between here. Clean off my knife. Clean off my knife. I'm just playing today, so. Alright, so now I want to get halfway between this, the mid, and the fully saturated. So I'm going to take a little bit more of this. I'm using oil, so, alright, oil paint. So we're going to just use that. Then I'm going to try to get as much, about as much. And we're going to add that to that. Okay. So that is darker than that and lighter than that. Okay. And then you can put intermediate steps in between. So now I have a saturation scale of that Cad red. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this on a card to see them side by side. So got them painted on my a white card. Now, if you look at, I could have done better here between these two here, and probably I could have done a little better. Go back and add different amounts of the gray to make these stand out. But yeah, those second and third step from the left could have added more Cad red to the one on the left. So if I do that, let's try that. Let's add a little bit more Cad red to this one. Add a little more Cad red to this one. And then paint that on my card. Yeah, that's a little better. That's a little better. And probably on this middle one, probably add a little bit of this one into this one. Something like that. It actually looks better in person than it does on the camera, but probably another step on that next to the last. Okay, so that's saturation scale. I can do better. Now this one I did up above was a value study of the same color. This one right here being the Cad Red. And then anything left to that, I add more chromatic black to it. And then anything to the right, I add titanium white. So this is our lightest without being white. There's just a tad of Cad Red in the titanium white. Okay, so you have a scale there. So that's just me playing around with a value and saturation scale of the Cad Red. I recommend it's a good exercise to do, and I'll probably do some more with different colors. So yeah, I like that. I mean, the saturation, I gotta work on that a little bit. But anyway, that's what I'm doing today.